Hello everybody, I'm back with a coloring catch-up. So let's get started. We'll get started with Rita Berman's book, her spring book, because I was like, oh yeah, I was surprised when I saw that as I was looking for her summer one, and I said, oh, she has a spring one, let me hurry up and color. So this is what I colored the last time, and I kind of messed up this time. I had a rough couple of months, and it's showing up in the coloring. Well, anyway, here it is. And this is what I colored this time. I used a lot of stuff on the backgrounds because I messed it up. I first used watercolor, and I'm wondering if I love this watercolor because it's really budget from Michael's. But I love it, but I'm wondering if it leaves it chalky at the end. So I had watercolor, acrylic paint. Yeah, it didn't turn out. And what else did I use? Acrylic markers. I used regular markers, a little bit of pencil. Yeah, and the watercolor. Didn't turn out as well as I had wanted to, but I did have fun because I really like Rita Berman's illustrations, and I can't wait till her other book is available. And I was back in to Kirby's world over here with Kirby Rosanes. I was trying to finish. It's a WIP. It's not done. The one I had started before, I started filling in the backgrounds. Is it in watercolor? I think in watercolor. Okay. So that's as far as I got in Mr. Kirby. Then I went into my cozy vibes because it was a hard couple of months. See what I did here. See what I finished. Being here today is enough. I thought that was cute and fun. I think in here, this is Cocowayo. Alright, let's see. Is that the only one I did in this one? No, that's a WIP. And that's a WIP. I think that was all I did in that one. Let's see. Because I had some WIPs in this one. But I didn't. Yeah, I had some WIPs. That was the only one I finished in that one. And then y'all know, no catch-up could be, no coloring catch-up could be complete unless I'm in my Black Women's coloring books. I love this series. And I messed her up. Oh, but it's okay. I have fun coloring. Oh my gosh. Like I said. I'm wondering if the is a little chalky, but that's okay. I had fun coloring it because and I'm about to go into the beach one soon, the Black Woman beach one. And you know I love my gnomies, my playful gnomes by Deborah Muller. Did I already show that? I already showed that one. Oh, that's a WIP. And I did this one. She cute. And that frog is a mess. I love it. I love this page. I really do love this page. It took really... Oh, I didn't see what I did. And I think it was in the other one, the Black Women ones. I think it was watercolor and maybe a little pencil. Yeah. And marker. This one is marker. Yeah. Oh, and acrylic paint. So I had fun with this one. And oh, and this one. Yep. And this one. Again, it was marker, acrylic paint. And I think that's it. Yep. So I did this one. And I think the other ones are WIPs. And this one. Oh, they are a riot. I just love this this book too. So life was hard, so you know, get a little giggle in there. And then I had bought this from Ollie's. Should I show my WIP first? I'll show my WIP first. And Cocoa Violet's Relaxing Corner. I ain't finished. So that was that. And then Cat Moments. Like I said, I had bought this from Ollie's for $3.99. I did. This is real simple. This year I wanted to practice more intricate work, but this month I didn't get to it. I did. Ooh, this one. And that one. Cute. And that's a WIP. Alrighty, friends. That is, thank you for showing up to catch up with me in my coloring journey. Yeah, I didn't get to do that many intricate ones to practice my shading and all that kind of stuff, but it was still a fun coloring since I've seen you last, and I hope to get into more detailed work soon, because I have a lot of good coloring books, and I haven't done a haul in a long time, but I've been collecting my coloring books. But for right now, this is where we are, and I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. If you made it this far, you know how we do. Let's put a crayon emoji down below. If you made it this far, you want to let me know that you were here. And if you don't have anything to say, you know, if you do, you can always wave at me, put the coloring book emoji or the crayon emoji. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.